Repairing a motherboard with no display can be challenging, but here are 10 basic steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Check power connections. Ensure all power connectors from the power supply are properly connected to the motherboard, including the main ATX power connector and CPU power connector. Test the monitor and cables. Verify that the monitor and its cables are working by connecting them to another device, such as a different computer or a gaming console. Reset BIOS, CMOS. Reset the BIOS, CMOS settings by removing the CMOS battery from the motherboard for a few minutes and then reinserting it. Alternatively, use the jumper pins if available. Inspect RAM. Reseat the RAM modules in their slots, ensuring they are properly seated. If you have multiple RAM sticks, try booting with only one stick at a time to identify any faulty modules.